everyone, this is Caroline, and with me is Eliza.
Hi.
Hi. Today we are volunteering at the Tech4Girls STEM workshop. Now Eliza, tell me about the workshop that we put together today.
Yeah, so today is our second workshop in Atlanta, GSMA Tech4Girls. We are doing a series of workshops, of educational workshops for girls between the ages of 7 and 18 to teach them to learn how to be well-versed in technology, whether it's web development, coding, programming, building, assembling computers like we're doing today for our middle school age students. So we're very excited. We're doing this throughout the year. We want to give back to the community and really make a difference in that gender gap in the technology field. So I'm super excited. I'm glad to be working with Caroline and
we're looking forward. It's going to be a really exciting day today. Today they are going to build their own computer. And I think that it's really important that we have a balance of art and science. This isn't just techie stuff, right?
Yes.
And no, they have to create their own project today. That means they have to draw a picture and then code it on the computer and present it to everybody. Yeah, technical skills are really important, but they're just a component of what we want them to do today.
Yes.
So they have to write a story, they have to animate a story, or they have to draw a picture and put it on the computer, and then they have to
do a talent show.
Yeah,
as well.
Yes, your favorite part.
Show,
yes.
My favorite part, so you can see what they've learned. So I think it's also building their presentation and interpersonal skills as well as they meet with girls from other schools as well. So it should be a great opportunity, and I'm excited.
Yeah. So stay tuned and watch to see what happens today.
Yay!
Bye.
Bye.
Like yourself, I grew up in Decatur, Georgia. I study here at MIT. This is actually the day I graduated. I was very excited to graduate with a degree in chemical engineering. I want you to just have your mind wide open to options right now. STEM is really the present and it's certainly our future. And so I think that if you're interested in being a creator or innovator, a problem solver, then you definitely want to think about one of these different STEM careers. Be excited to ask a question. Your curiosity should drive you to just want to know everything around you.
Hey everybody, I'm here with Carlos and Stephanie SB, and we just kicked off the STEM Gems. We just kicked off our STEM workshop with GSMA Tech4Girls. Stephanie gave an amazing keynote speech. What I love what you said is that STEM is the present, but it's also our future. I love what you said. Yes, it is the future, and these girls are our future, right? So, Carlos, what do you think?
It's going to be great. Today, all the girls are going to be working here trying to build a computer. They're going to build a computer. They're going to learn coding by doing blocks. And hopefully we will spark the curiosity that they need to be able to expand their career and see that a career in math, engineering is essential.
Yes. Stephanie?
Yeah, I'm just excited to be here because I do think that when girls have a chance to actually meet people in STEM, meet actual people who work in engineering and work as technologists, and then they have a chance to do hands-on activities, they get really excited and they start to see themselves in those careers. So it is true that you can't be what you can't see. So the fact that they're here, they're meeting real people, real women that work in STEM, and then they're also getting the chance to interact. And then they're working in groups. I think that's also really important for them to move in and kind of see themselves in choosing a career in the space. So it's very exciting to be here today.
Thank you so much, Stephanie, for being our keynote speaker. Thank you, Carlos.
Thank you.
GSMA is our sponsor, and we're going to continue. We're going to continue this. Hey, I'm here with Pepper. Hey, Pepper, I need information.
Sure, all right.
Who is the instructor?
Caroline is the instructor.
Here it is.
Do something fun
What
again.
would you like to do now?
Do something fun.
Have a look. My name is Pepper. I'm here I can be keen with behavior to the mood of his interlocutor. Here at GSMA, I'm used to welcome informing them that you can have me. So you are some questions. You can have shots here.
This is my drawing. It's a bunch of lines and there's two 2 lines of code for every single line that I've done here. So there's about almost 300 lines of code.
Hello, my name is Becca, and I'm just like everyone else except I live in poverty. I don't have much clothes and money, but I believe that one day I will be rich.
What did I like best? If I had to choose, it would be the coding. I like the way that we had to think about all the steps that we did, and it wasn't easy. I like that we couldn't get frustrated, and it required a lot of patience to do the entire thing.
Maybe if I have a compass or something, I'll find my direction. My favorite part of today was making the computer, because you get to see how it functions and how it works actually behind just using it.
But the most important lesson that I learned today was that you can build things as simple as this in the comfort of like your own home. My favorite part of learning was the computer, like building the computer, learning how to build it, and the different engineering jobs for women.
If you can do something as simple as this, then you can do anything. What I learned was that I can do anything I set my mind to.
What I learned today is that every time I got frustrated, I just need to keep trying and pushing myself.
The most important part of the lesson that I learned today was that just because you're a girl doesn't mean you can't do a man's job.
I learned how to code and put all the technology together to make one big laptop.
We built Kano computers. Ed did coding.
Yes, it was super fun. On the computer we did Scratch and Make Art. I did both of them and they were really fun.
I only did make art and I drew a cactus.
Hi girls, and welcome parents. I enjoyed all your presentations. Parents, your kids have done great today. Hope everyone enjoyed the day and have learned a lot. Remember to use and explore your new Kano computer. I challenge you to make a new program at home and have fun. Enjoy and thank you for sharing this day with us at the GSMA.